Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. So in this video, I am going to explain how to check the first character in a given string is alphabet or not. See, suppose, first of all, we need to know how to find out the given character is alphabet or not. Alphabet means what? The character either is uppercase character or is a lowercase character is called alphabet. So let me take one string first. So whatever the string S. If you want to read the string, you can read. Suppose I'm taking a string like this, at the rate AMAR, I'm taking. Like this is not A, it's a symbol at the rate. But the question is, I'm checking the first character is alphabet or not. First of all, get the first character from the string and store into one simple character variable. Okay. How to get the first character? We know that it is always at 0th index only. At 0th index, the first character will be present. That we are taking into one variable, any variable. Suppose I have taken ch character. Now checking this character is alphabet or not. See, either it is uppercase or lowercase. So I'm writing the condition if the character uppercase is greater than or equal to capital A and less than or equal to capital Z. Either it is uppercase or the character is greater than or equal to small a, less than or equal to small z. This is checking uppercase and this is checking lowercase. The character is either uppercase or lowercase. Then we can say that the first character is alphabet. Is alphabet. Else the first character is not an alphabet. This is the simple way of checking the first character of given string is alphabet or not. Hope you understood. Here we cover two programs. One is check the given character is alphabet or not, and check the first character in the given string is alphabet or not. Hope you understood. Thank you guys.